Lyrics. I mean, lyrics are really personal, so I think find a cool, new, original way to get your message across. There's a million ways to say I love you. In fact, there's even a song that said but yeah, try and find your angle. What's your personality? How do you sing? You know, what's your accent? Where are you coming from? And I think writing lyrics as well is sometimes good to write small rather than writing big. So some of the best lyrics are just about trying to get a signal on your mobile phone or something, you know, rather than trying to save the world with your lyrics. Try and think small, think about day-to-day stuff. It's about having trust in your instincts.
Cool.
And then if you got a producer, then trust their instincts as well. But as a producer, it's about someone plays you a song and he's going instinctively, I think it might be great if we try this. No one's going to die if we try it, and I think that's the main thing. Just try things, and you can always prove that you were right or wrong later when you listen to it. And I think if you imagine it's somebody else listening to your music rather than you playing it, that can help as well. Sometimes it's knowing whether it's finished or whether you could push it even further. So we've done things before where you write a chorus and you think, actually, what if that was a pre-chorus and we wrote another chorus? How would that sound? Or, what if we didn't say it was finished and we just tried this? But equally, what if you did say it was finished and you just had the guts to say, that's really cool.
Yeah.
So it's kind of horses for courses in a way, but you could try everything and you're just wasting your time, because if it's magic, then it's magic. I think some of the best music is when you can hear the influences. I guess Post Malone's a good example. Post Malone's got a lot of rock influences in a hip hop format, or you can hear a band like, 21 Pilots, are essentially a rock band, but with a hip hop format.
Yes.
In the verses. So I think listening to songs outside the genre that you're playing and asking yourself what's so good about that, can really work as well with production. It's a good thing to do. For me anyway, I can hear an idea and even in my head and think, I can hear it sounding like down the radio or on stage, streaming. You can kind of hear the end result. You can almost see it on the shelves in the shops. So it's having that courage to know that you're going to get there and not try too many ideas. Try and keep it simple. If it's great, it's great.
Yeah.
And then you just need to protect the greatness, protect the magic. If you've got a good chorus, and don't kill that chorus by writing too many other things around it. I mean, you can only have one striker in your football team, maybe, or two, or three.